Hello there! Ang ating lesson ngayon ay to divide mentally 2 to 4 digit numbers by tens or hundreds or by 1,000 without and with remainder. To divide numbers by 10, 100, or 1,000, we cancel or remove as many zeros in the dividend as there are in the divisor. Then divide the remaining numbers. So, ang gagawin lang natin ay ika-cancel natin or i-remove natin yung mga zeros sa dividend kung ilan sa divisor. Then, i-divide natin, paghahati-hatiin natin yung remaining numbers. Okay. Let us start by 10. There are two ways to solve the problem. Two ways. Lahat yan by 10, by 100, at by 1,000. The first is the long method. And of course, the short method for number 2. If we have 2,000 divided by 10, we cancel 1 0 here because there is 1 0 in the divisor. So 1 0 for the dividend, it will now become 200. And this will now become 1. So, dahil kinancel natin, ito ay magiging 1 na lang at ito ay magiging 200. So, what is 200 divided by 1? That would be 200. Then, 200 times 1 200 times 1 is equals 200. Then 200 minus 200 will now become 0. So your answer in the long method is 200. Let us see kung parehas lang sila sa short method. We still have 2,000 divided by 10. So we cancel kung ilan sa divisor. Dahil isang 0 lang, so isang 0 lang din ang ating ika-cancel or i-remove dito sa 2,000 equals 200 because 200 divided by 1 is 200. Okay, nakukuha nyo? Sana nakukuha nyo ha? Long method, short method. For 2,000 divided by 100. If I have 2,000 divided by 100, dalawang 0 meron ang divisor, kaya sa dividend, we will also cancel 2 zeros. Then, 20 divided by 1 is equivalent to 20. 20 times 1 is 20. Then 20 minus 20 will now become 0. So the answer in the long method is 20. While in the short method, they have the same answer. You cancel these 2 zeros and also these 2 zeros. So kung ilan yung kinancel mong zeros dito sa divisor, ganun din dito sa dividend. So 2,000 divided by 100 is equals to 20. Okay, nagigets na? That would be by 100. Next. Again, 2,000 divided by 1,000. Ang 1,000, ang ating divisor, 1,000, meron siyang tatlong zeros. Then, i-cancel natin. I-cancel din natin dito sa divisor, sa dividend, ang tatlong zeros. So, ang remaining digit na lang ay 2. Then, 2 divided by 1, excuse me, is 2. Then, 2 times 1, 2 times 1 will be 2. 2 minus 2 will now become 0. So, the answer is 2. Let us see sa short method. They're just the same. The answer here is 2. Dahil merong tatlong 0 sa divisor, which is 1,000, dito din, ika-cancel natin yung tatlong 0 ng 2,000. So, 2,000 divided by 1,000 is 2. Gets? That would be by 1,000. Okay, let us have an exercise. Complete the table. The first one is done for you. Number 1 is 5,670. For the dividend, the divisor is 10 and the quotient is 567. Ano nga uli yung quotient? Yung quotient ay yung answer or sagot dito sa pagdi-divide ng 5,670 at saka 10. Bakit 567 na lang siya? Kasi we cancel 0, 1 0, and also 1 0. Here. Kaya, the remaining is 567. So, 567. Okay. Next, 7,600 divided by 100. Ilang zero meron ang 100? That would be 2. So, 1, 2. We also cancel this 1 and 2. So, ano na lang ang remaining? That would be 76 divided by 1 will be 76. Correct. The answer is 76. Next, dividend is 1,000. Divisor is 1,000. They're just the same. So, anong gagawin? Ganun pa rin. Cancel 3 zeros because there are 3 zeros. Then, another 3 zeros for the dividend. So, ano na lang ang remaining? Ang remaining ay 1. Ito ay 1. So, 1 divided by 1 will be 1. Okay. For number 4, we have 5,000 divided by 10. So, ilang zero meron ang divisor? Isa lang. So, isa. Ilan ang i-cancel natin dito sa dividend? That would be isa din lang. So, 500 divided by 1 will now become 500. Your answer is 500. For number 5, we have 2,000 divided by 100. Ilang zero mayroon ang divisor natin? That would be 2. 1, 2. So, ilan ang i-cancel natin dito sa dividend? That would be 1 and 2. What is the remaining digits? That would be 20 divided by 1, which is 20. Okay. Gets? Okay, next exercise. Find the quotient. 9,040 divided by 10 equals blank. 7,000 divided by 100 equals blank. 13,000 divided by 1,000 equals blank. 9,540 divided by 10 equals blank. At saka number 5, 894 divided by 10 equals blank. So, you may answer on your paper. Okay, tapos na. Okay, let us answer. So, dahil meron siyang isang zero lamang, so isang zero lamang i-cancel natin dito. So, what is the answer? Dahil ito na lang yung remaining niya. The answer is 904. Okay, para lang natin itong ni-remove nga. Kinuha lang natin yung 0. Dito sa number 2, dalawang 0 meron ng 100. So, cancel dalawang zeros. Dito din, dalawang zeros. So, ano na lang yung remaining is 70. 70 divided by 1 is 70. Okay. Correct ka po. Okay, let us go to number 3. Merong tatlong 0 ang 1,000. Then, we will also cancel here 3 zeros. Ano na lang ang nandyan? Sino ang natira? Ang 13 divided by 1. So, 13 divided by 1 is still 13. Do we have the same answers? Sana po. Number 4, 9,540 divided by 10. Ang 10, dahil meron siyang isang 0, we cancel that out. And then, cancel din dito sa 9,540. So, ang natira na lang ay 954 divided by 1. So, the answer is 954. Tama. Next, last number. 894 divided by 10. Meron siyang isang 0. Ngunit dito ay walang 0. 4 lang. Can we cancel 4? Yes, we can cancel 4. Di siya 0. Pwede. Pwede. So, yung natira is 89. Ang gagawin natin ay 89. Remainder 4. Ito na yung susunod nating lesson. Yung with remainder. Pag hindi 0 yung last digits or last 2 digits or last 3 digits, yun yung remainder mo. Okay, ganito yon. Study the following number sentences. For letter A, that would be 2,745 divided by 10 equals 274 remainder 5. Then 2,745 divided by 100 equals 74 remainder 45. Next is 2,745 divided by 1,000 equals 2 remainder 745. Tama po ba lahat? Meron pong isa na hindi. Alin po dito? Ito yun. The answer should be, dahil dalawang 0 meron siya, so, itong dalawa, magiging remainder. Tama. Ano na lang yung natira? Ang natira ay 27 at hindi 74. So, this one is out. 27 should be in. So, the answer here is 27, remainder 45. How about number sa pangatlo? Ito yung remainder niya. So, ito lang yung quotient. Quotient is 2, remainder 745. Correct na siya. How about letter B? 8,932 divided by 10 equals 893, remainder 2. Tama? Yes, tama. Next is 8,932 divided by 100. Meron siyang dalawang 0. So, ang kanyang remainder ay 32. Ngunit ang kanyang quotient ay 89. Okay, tama. Ito pa. 8,932 divided by 1,000 equals 8. Remainder 932. Dahil meron siyang tatlong 0. Again, tatlong 0. And the remaining digit is 8. 8 divided by 1 is 8. Remainder 932. Ito yun. Okay. Nakukuha niyo po ba? Sana nakukuha niyo po ha. Let's practice. Complete the table. The first one is done for you. The dividend for number 1 is 567. You divide it by 10. You divide it by 100 and you still divide that by 1,000. So, meron na siyang sagot dito sa number 1. 567 divided by 10 is 56, remainder 7. Dahil isang 0 lang naman siya. Yung divided by 100 is 5, remainder 67. Dahil meron siyang dalawang 0. Ngunit dito sa 1,000, 0 ang quotient niya, pero meron siyang remainder na 567. Okay. So, for number 2, that would be 148. Number 3 is 2,763. Number 4 is 1,297. And for number 5 is 3,376. Okay, would you like to answer it now? Okay. You may answer. Are you done? Okay, let's answer. For number 2, that would be 14, remainder 8. Kasi meron siyang isang 0 dito. So, isa lang dito yung ating kukunin na remainder. Then, sa 100, dahil meron siyang dalawang 0, so gawin natin dalawa munang remainder. At saka yung natira ay, ang natira ay 1. Hindi ito kasali ha. 1, remainder 48. Okay. Next is 0. Puro remainder siya. 148. Then, for number 3, 2,763. Dahil isa lang, so 3 yung remainder niya. At ang nandito pa ay 276. Remainder 3. Okay. So, 276, remainder 3. For number 3, again, so 100. Unahin natin yung remainder para hindi kayo ma-confuse. So, remainder. Yung dalawang remaining, yung natira ay 27. Sa 1,000 naman, meron siyang tatlong 0. Kaya, ilalagay natin yung tatlong last 3 digits, which is 763. Yun yung kanyang remainder at ang quotient niya ay 2. So, 2 remainder 763. Next, for number 4, that would be 1, 2, 9, remainder 7. Okay, so for 100, that would be 1, 2, remainder 97. So, 12 remainder 97. Then, sa 1,000, that would be 1 remainder 297. Okay. For the number 5, that would be 37 remainder 6. Okay. Sorry sa penmanship ko ha. Next, we have 3 remainder 76. Dahil meron siyang dalawang 0. Then dito, 0 remainder 376. Okay. Naka 5 ka po ba? Sana perfect ha. Sunod. Sunod ay quiz na po. So, for number 1, we have 1,430 divided by 10 equals n. N will be your quotient. Number 2 is 8,700 divided by 100 equals n. Number 3 is 12,000 divided by 1,000 equals n. Number 4 is 2,189 divided by 10 equals n. And for number 5, we have 57,842 divided by 100 equals n. So, let us answer. 1,430 divided by 10. Meron siyang isa. So, the answer is 143. Okay. For number 2, meron siyang dalawang 0. We cancel them. So, ito na lang yung remaining, which is 87. Next, we have 1, 2, 3 zeros. So, cancel 3 zeros. At ang natira na lang ay 12. For number 4, we have 1 0. So, the answer here is 218. Remainder 9. Kasi hindi siya 0 dito. Meron siyang number dito na nakalagay. Then dito is 0, 0, dalawa. So, the answer is 578. Remainder 42. Okay, do we have the same answer? Sana 5/5 ka ha. Sana meron kang natutunan sa akin ngayon. Ang finding the quotient. Kaya naman, another quiz. Oo, ito na yung sagot nung kanina. Okay. Okay. And another answer. And that would be all in finding the quotient. This is Teacher Pinks. Thank you for watching. If you think you learned from my video, please hit like, share, subscribe, and hit all notification box. Thank you.